So here I had a Jeep Renegade and the DRL was out, or the daytime running light. And I want to show how to replace it because it's super easy. And there's like a lot of videos, but they're like 10 minutes long, which is unnecessary. This is the DRL. First, you want to turn in your wheel all the way in to access this panel right here. All right. The only tools you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and maybe one of these clip panel tools. And you're just going to screw it out. And sometimes they get stuck or the thing rounds off. So you could put like the clip panel tool behind it and then screw it out. Or you could break it off and just put a normal one. But like I said, it's a Phillips head screw, but it's plastic. And then the door just comes out. And then there's two lights right here. It's the black one. That's your daytime running light. The white one is, I believe, is a turn signal. And you just got to turn it clockwise. And then once it stops turning, you just pull it out. Again, super easy. I took out the connector first just to make it easier. You know, just showing how it comes out. And that's about it. All right. The light that I had was this one right here, Philips 12499. I think they're like $5 for two of them. And you just got to be careful. And you know what's these because of the little tabs. It has two tabs on the side of the bulb. Mine stopped working because it got corrosion down here, but the filaments were still good. So there's one tab that's lower than the other one. So that means there's only one way to put it in. And I'm going to show right now that you can only put it in one way. So I'm trying to put it in with the tab in the incorrect position. And as you can see, it won't twist in. So if I put it in the correct way and you push down and then you turn it, it locks in. And that's how you're supposed to put it. And then to take it out, you got to push down and turn it counterclockwise to take it out. All right. So, and then the only other thing I'm going to say is the warning lights. It takes about 1 or 2 ignition cycles for the light to come off. It took me maybe twice. I had to turn on the car, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off for the warning lights to come off. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.